Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Bhopal, offering comprehensive services in the field of building information modeling, BIM. With a team of experienced professionals and a commitment to delivering high-quality solutions, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted partner for clients seeking BIM services. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accurate and efficient project management. BIM technology allows for the creation of detailed 3D models that integrate various aspects of a building project, from architectural design to structural engineering and MEP systems. This integrated approach ensures better coordination and collaboration among different stakeholders, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced costs. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd employs a team of skilled BIM specialists who are proficient in using industry-leading software tools. These experts are capable of creating detailed 3D models that accurately represent the physical and functional characteristics of a building. By utilizing BIM technology, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can identify and resolve potential clashes or conflicts in the design phase, minimizing rework and delays during construction. In addition to its expertise in BIM modeling, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers a range of other services including clash detection, quantity takeoff, 4D scheduling, and 5D cost estimation. These services further enhance the value proposition of the company, allowing clients to benefit from a comprehensive suite of solutions. Whether it's a small residential project or a large-scale commercial development, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the knowledge and expertise to deliver exceptional BIM services. With a focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, the company continues to be a trusted partner for clients in Bhopal and beyond. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable BIM company based in Bhopal, India. With a strong focus on providing cutting-edge building information modeling, BIM, services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted partner for clients in the construction industry. The company's expertise lies in using advanced BIM technology to create detailed 3D models that accurately represent the physical and functional characteristics of buildings and infrastructure projects. As a leading BIM company in Bhopal, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services to clients, including architectural BIM, structural BIM, MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, coordination, clash detection, and 4D construction sequencing. The company's team of highly skilled and experienced professionals work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements